Good afternoon, traders. This is Kevin Craney with your afternoon financial market update. Equity markets trading higher on the day, a bit mixed on the session to start off with, but actually moving higher through much of the afternoon. Really having the reverse effect, or not really the reverse effect, but actually the same effect from the interest rate markets. Actually, prices moving higher, but yields moving lower, and part of that has to do, I think, with some of the housing data that we got out today. Existing home sales coming in disappointing, and that really is overall kind of bad news for something that we've seen really kind of leading us out of the doldrums. Really, housing has been one spot that's been a bright point for the market here over the past several months. So to see an existing home sales number that's a little disappointing, the market did not like that. Certainly you see some treasury buying, but as it's been for the past few weeks, nothing can seem to send the equity market down in the face of what appeared to be some bad news last week from an earnings standpoint, from a macroeconomic data standpoint. Really couldn't push that market down, and nothing pushing it down today. But something's got to give. If there's any buying going on in the treasury market, pushing those yields down a little bit, at some point you're either going to see the money flow continue to go toward treasuries. So I think we have to watch what the macroeconomic data continues to give us here in the United States. But likewise, we need to continue to focus, keep one eye overseas. Overnight, we had some news out of the Bank of Japan that they're going to try and target inflation of 2% and try and end years of deflation over there with some more added stimulus. So that's something to watch. Again, Japan in that region been in years of a deflationary period. United States hoping not to go there, but we want to see what Japan may do. That really boosting some of the commodity markets here today too, I believe, as we see many of the commodities up across the board. But certainly from an interest rate perspective, it'll be interesting to see if both the 10 and the 30 can go back to some of these lower yields. We've seen some of these yields being the highest they've been over the past week to 2 weeks, backing off of those high yields, going a little bit lower. So with some auctions coming up of some treasuries, it will be interesting to see if we can't continue to maintain some of these higher prices and lower yields. Please give me a call at 888-596-5817 and we can discuss these opportunities and others. As always, remember, futures trading does carry a high degree of risk and is not suitable for everyone.